Snake, salmon, and Grande Ronde River waters pass by and through the Snake River smolt trap each spring as it courses to the Pacific Ocean. In addition to Chinook salmon and Steelhead Trout smolts, these snowmelt waters convey large and small woody debris into the fish trap. As the flows increase, so does the amount and size of the debris. Most of the debris wall can be removed by hand or with rakes. The larger, telephone pole-sized debris and trees need to be cut and/or pulled out with a barge. We are often asked, why do you continue to trap under these conditions? The answer is, as the flows and debris increase, so does the number of smolts and consequently the amount of data that is collected. This information helps fisheries and other resource managers make informed decisions to enhance the smolt survival to the ocean and back to Idaho a few years later as adults.